Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to part 2 of my video review of Windows 7. Alright, so the next feature I want to talk about is called Arrow Snap. What you do is you can take your window, drag it up to the top, and you saw there's a little effect there, and it will pop full screen when you let go. And then when you drag back down, it'll pop to small screen. So drag up, pop full screen, drag out. Which allows, instead of, I don't know, there's now 3 ways to make full screen. You can either double tap on the bar, hit the full screen button, or do that. The next one is you can, for smaller screens, like smaller laptops, you can drag left, and there is a snap feature, or drag right to drag it that way. And then when you drag off, it pops back out. So if I want to share space with, say Firefox or something like that, I can easily make it so that my windows take up, and I can easily go back and forth between the two. So anyways, I thought that feature was pretty cool. So the next thing I want to show was how much RAM Windows 7 will really take up. So this right here is a has 2 gigabytes of RAM, 2 gigabytes. If you can read it, it says 638 megabytes, which isn't bad. Now, Windows can kind of expand and contract how much RAM it uses, but this is kind of, send feedback, that's cool. I only have this notepad here running, that's about it. So using about 640 megs of RAM, which isn't bad. However, when you contract it, over here I have a virtual machine of Windows 7, and it says 179 megabytes of RAM. And just to prove this is Windows 7, same exact thing. Actually the same exact ISO image, just in a virtual machine. And this is running, it's using 185 megs of RAM. It actually was only using about 150 when I first booted it. This is a virtual PC 2007. If I go into settings here, I have given it 200 megabytes of RAM. So really, 183 megs of RAM for Virtual 7, great. Windows 7 is not bad at all, considering that Vista, this is dual booted with Windows Vista Home Premium, which commonly uses upward towards 700, 800, 900 megs just to run. So I think that is an amazing advancement. And is awesome. And that's actually considering that I have 3 widgets here also running in the background. So I've got a notepad, a couple widgets, and I've had, Firefox, IE, Photoshop, Flash, and VLC also running that I've also closed down, but they've all been running, which means they've all been cached. So final thing is the shutdown button. I know that's not a very huge advancement, but here they've changed the full shutdown button to this simple one button that you can customize. You can customize it to make the computer go to sleep, do anything you want, and then you roll over for the rest of your options, which I think is pretty cool. Other than that, I don't think there's a whole lot to talk about, other than I was able to install this and get Arrow up and running, and it's actually been extremely stable. Things have been running great. I've been using Vista normally just because I use it for a work environment, and therefore I need the reliability. Well, reliability and Vista usually don't go in the same sentence, but I've actually had a lot of luck with Vista since SP1. So it's not nearly as bad. I think 7 is just to get rid of the Vista name because everyone's like, oh my god, Vista, it sucks, holy crap. I mean, run away and use XP. But I've actually pretty good experience now that it's been updated. So anyways, post your comments, tell me what you think. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll do my best. Thanks for watching. As usual, I forgot something. One more thing is that you can go down to personalize, and Windows can automatically change your background. So I'm going to go in Windows desktop background just because there's a bunch of them queued up here. And I can go, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, all the way up to every day have it change. And so I'm going to set 10 seconds just to show off what it does. Save changes. But it will change my wallpaper every 10 seconds, or however long I have it set to. And it'll also obviously do the video wallpaper like Vista does. Anyway, just wanted to show that off, and that works well. So anyways, thanks for watching. Post your comments. Thanks. Wanted to add one more thing. Notice as I was exporting this, exporting the file, it's going to be 2 files, that running here, it's been sitting for a couple minutes, probably about 10, that it says running in 111 megs. This is still in the same 200 megs of RAM, but it's using 111 megs. My opinion is that isn't bad. So, yep, thanks for watching.